Oh, Sana, thank you so much. If you have watched this far, thank you so much for watching. This is my morning routine. I don't know, but it's just spend a few days with me. So thank you so much for your support, for your love and support. As if Nyantanda, but fine. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, so today is Tuesday, the 21st of April. Ndihleli nabo ne apha endlini omnye utya itswele, she's peeling off itswele ufuna ulitya. I won't say anything because they've been crying okonifike apha, so I don't want to say anything. I don't want to disturb them. They can do whatever they want to do. Usisi obagcinayo akekho today, she's off, une-appointment nogqirha, so she's not here. It's just me and these two. So check it, i-outfit bendinxibe namhlanje. Bendinxibe izihlangu ezinjena, heels not these ones. Otherwise I was okay. So I went to the shops to do e-shopping, a it's a pre-winter shopping. So I'm gonna show you the stuff that I got. Yabo sebefuna uqala. I got this for Silibonge, my daughter. I got this for her. And then asazikhumbula ii-prices ke uba bezisithi because abantu bazo bafike bazilinganisa, bendiye town izolo bafike bazilinganisa so baqhaqhe prices, but this is from OPEP. So I got these two tags beziyi-two, I think it was 100 rand, beziyi-two for umtshana wam Oyisa. So I went to PEP and Ackermans, ne? So now I'm showing you the stuff that I got from PEP. Ne? These were on special. I think they were 80 rand both. I think so. Ne? Also, eyona nto bendiyiyele ePEP ke bendiyothenga ezi zirombo for the young one. They 35 rand each. Ne? Say 35 rand each. So I got three. One, two. She's 2 years and March, April, 2 years and 2 months. So, but usamnxiba u-18 to 24. The correct size that she's supposed to be wearing it's 24 to 36. But this fits also. So I got these three rompos. I also got these two. They were for 60 something rand. These two tights from my young daughter Usilibonge, because I'm letting go of Usisi month end. Ndiyemisa daycare. So I decided uba le nto kasisi, it's not working for me. So the total amount that I spent in a PEP was 266 rand 3 cents. This is the amount. So she's going to daycare center. That's why I'm buying her all tights abani. So abakapheleli aba, I want her to have enough clothes. So I went to Ackermans. I bought this. At least I was surprised. This was 130, but now it's 40 rand. I wethu engathi tight, but it's very nice. Even if it was for me, this is for my firstborn. So it was for 130. So now it's 40 rand. Also, it was on special at Mr. Price, at Ackermans, man. Since it's Mr. Price, I also got these two. Oh, there are three, man. Bezi three, get 150 rand. Now you see the price. So it's one, go tight. It's one. It's nice for them, no tight, so that they can be flexible, but like without jeans. So I like them to have tights for, yeah. So this but so I also got this. So you see what I'm talking about. This is the right size that she's supposed to be wearing. size 24 to 36. So it was this one and this one for 200 rand. Now, yeah, marked down to 109 rand. You see? I hope you see. So it's this tight. Yo, this is so nice. And I guess kusisi na next day uzabe eyinxiba ayimlingani ncam, but ayikho nkulu. So nje uba it's right nje. So I also got this. So at Ackermans, I spent 298 rand 95 cent. This is, yeah, I hope you can see. So these are the things that I got. What else did I buy? Yeah, and then get a groceranyana. So which is sendiyiqoqoshile. I won't show you that. I wanted to go but only bonus buy special sisekhona shops. So mummies, go check. Maybe we'll find something. Also, I need to buy clothes for myself, guys. Ne? I need to buy clothes for myself because now I've gained a lot of weight. Ne? So I've gained a lot of weight. I need to start running again because I was bendibaleka. I've stopped. So now I think because I've stopped because of umsebenzi, bendingena shift stable. Sometimes bendingena 1 to 7 sometimes. So now I think since now is shift yami 1, it's 6:30 a.m. until 12:45. Ndingaphinda ndikwazi uqala. I need to start running next month to start doing exercises for belly fat. So I also need to do that and andinampahla because impahla zincinci kum, there is nothing fits properly. I've lost confidence because andiyazi bazawubona ntoni. So I'm also struggling with that, with the fact that I've gained weight and now andisenampahla zendilinganayo, even if ndiyahamba ndidinga msinya, ndiyakhefuzela, uyabona. So I also need